In this video, we will learn how to get all detail of the workbook of Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some huge data. When you see my all row, there's a triple nine five. So I have a triple nine five row in this data and is a column up to L. So to get the all details, so you can click here the review tab. When you click on the review tab, you get here proofing group. In proofing group, you get here the workbook statistic. Just click on it. Here you can see the current sheet. End of the sheet is L triple nine five. L is a column and triple nine five is a row. Cell with the data. Cell with the data. See, in all data, total cells is here. Is with the data. Okay. Then tables is 0, formula is 0, workbook sheet 1, cell with data same. Micro is 2, tables 0, formulas 2. So all detail is a show here. If you want to check the any details, you can click on the statistics and check it easily. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.